to my channel. This is the start. I'm battling a cold, or I'm like getting over it. This is the start of our South African vlog. So this is our hotel. I'm gonna give you a quick tour and I'm gonna update you guys throughout the day.
Because it's a goat skin, so the goat play important role in our cultures. Weddings, the funerals, the family gatherings, they slaughter the goat to communicate with the ancestors.
So here is the mirror, the toilet, the sink. This is our bathtub. Some towels. There's like a towel warmer somewhere. The shower. A little big mirror. There's charger stuff. Here's the door. Some hooks. The closet. Our bed. There's Kelly. Suitcase. This fancy chair with some drawers and a light. Some more lights. Here's all our food. So we got some cookies. These are mine. All three of these. The TV. There is a fridge. Let's see if there's anything in it. Oh, there's waters. Oh, water. Oh wait, that's actually a Sprite. And then here's over here a fancy coffee machine and our beds. We have no idea who's sleeping in what bed. Anyways, that's it. Hi vlog, it's a little while later. We're in the Royal Zambezi Hotel. Sorry I didn't like update you and stuff. I was just like traveling, and then we did a little like welcome tour. We saw elephants, hippos, buffalo, and crocodile. I'm gonna insert pictures, and tomorrow we might go on an early morning safari, so I'm gonna vlog that and take a lot of pictures. So I'm gonna show you the room. Also, a safety precaution is we can't leave the room or go to the room, leave or enter late at night because there's wildlife. We're literally in the jungle. So yeah, there's like elephants, hippos, and like buffalo and a warthog. I'm gonna insert like pictures, but yeah, so that's our room. See you guys later. Bye. So this is our bathroom. There's sinks, cups, some like body lotion, hand wash, a little elephant like thing. Here's our shower, some shower products, some towels. The toilet is right here. Window. Here's the mirror. There's like drinking water in here, I think. Our drinks. Bug spray. Curtains, the closet, the safe. Here's our bed. Beds with little water bottles. Here's our patio. We might do an update in the day, like how it looks. And yeah. Kelly's over there, but I'm not gonna put her in the vlog. And then also you're so pretty.
Yep.
Look at its mouth.
I know, it's funny looking.
I got the worst seat in the house.
Why?
Okay, so what's up, vlog? I can't remember exactly where I left off, but this is my last day here at this hotel. By the way, this behind me is where all the elephants were and like hippos. But after today, we're going to we're going to Zimbabwe to see Victoria Falls. And then, yeah, I took lots of pictures of hippos and some stuff on our morning safari. I'm gonna insert them soon, but yeah. Goodbye. Hi vlog, welcome to the Palm River Hotel. This is where I'm gonna be staying for tonight. So here's the door, the lights, the closet space, our bathroom. I'm doing my YouTube vlog. Clothes, backpack, my water bottle, another water bottle. Oops. There's Kelly. This little bag, my bathroom bag, my little octopus, night mask, the beds, brush. And here is our little mini bar that we have. There's like food and stuff. So that's the hotel, and yeah, bye. Hi vlog. I forgot to like update you. After Victoria Falls, we went to the Lookout Cafe and got lunch, and then we had a dinner experience. We went downtown. I got a couple gifts, but I'm gonna do a haul when I'm back in the States of everything that I bought. And yeah, today we're going to Cape Town. So I'm gonna like update you guys when I'm there. Yeah. Bye guys. So here's the beds. Some USBs, some like, I don't know what these do. Like, does it move? Okay. Wait. Okay, I will. TV. The closet. Let's see this bathroom. Where's the... Is it in there? This is so cool. A bathtub. Shelf. What's in here? Like, this is robes and slippers. So I'm gonna assume. Oh my gosh, Kelly was not wrong. This is the beautifulest bathroom I've ever seen in a hotel. Holy crap. Beautiful shower. Then we have the sinks, some soaps. Over here, we have the door. I don't know what this leads to. And then here's Kelly. next night, I forgot to update you guys. So today we did a tour of Cape Town. Then we saw penguins, which I took pictures of the penguins, ostrich, Cape fur seals, an E-link, which is like a big antelope thing. And then, what else did we see? I can't remember. We went out to lunch. Then we did that. And then we went out tonight. We went shopping. I got a little penguin, but like I told you, I'm gonna like show you everything I got when I'm back in the States, but that's it. And tomorrow is another travel day. Or another day. We're gonna go wine tasting and we're gonna go get chocolate and get a big lunch. And yeah, I'm gonna take pictures of the wine probably so I can show you the wine and chocolate probably. I don't know. We might, excuse me, go to Tabletop Mountain. And that's it. Alright, bye guys. What's up vlog? We made it to Grupos. This is our final place here in the beautiful Africa. I'm gonna show you our bungalow, private villa, whatever it is. It's so beautiful. Like, I want to live here. Alright, I'm gonna show you. Okay, so here's like the mini bar. There's like drinks in here in case we want anything. Oops. Some like tea stuff. I don't know what's in here. The sink. Over here is our view. We can't go outside because it doesn't look nice. Here's the living room. There's light switches. And then the big ass TV. Candles, our soap we got from our travel agent. A desk with a wellness villa or wellness experiment. Ooh, there's a facial. Fireplace. The TV stuff. Fire lighters. Here's like a little closet. So here's the first bathroom. There's hand wash, the lotion, the flush, some towel warmer, the shower. Here is the other closet. Oh wait, no. Here's the house. There's Kelly. Here's our room. The phone, everything else. Ooh, it says like their names, like where they're gonna stay. That's cool. Here is one side of the bed with a light, USB chargers. There's a Kelly. Kelly's not included. No Kelly's allowed in your stay. Okay, here's my purse. And this thing. Oh my gosh. Kelly. That shuts if you press this.
Oh my
That's
goodness.
so cool. Okay. Here's the second bathroom. Just like the first. The shower. And then I think I'm so excited for this part. So here's like bath tea, bubble bath, some salt, a towel, and here's the bath. Now, if you don't want to look at Kelly or someone else, you can just shut this. And then here's the view. So that is our amazing stay. I hope you guys like it and have a nice day. Bye. Okay, so we're outside and Kelly pointed out something, but I want to see the full outdoors. Oh, so it just goes right here. Kelly pointed out this. Can I, in the way? Okay.
I just took a picture.
Kelly pointed out this, also it's cold because I'm wearing a tank top, that there is an outdoor shower and throughout our stay, only my parents and Graham have had an outdoor shower. So this is freaking cool. And here's the view outside. There's the Kelly. Oh wait, there's the Kelly. That's not included with your stay. A lot of people liked that.
Only the lucky people get a Kelly with their stay.
Yeah, but like if they were to book like a villa like this, they don't get a Kelly. And here's us. All right. Peace. So hi guys, it's the next day. I got a bracelet and I put a band-aid on here because I had a bug bite that I was like obsessed with, messing with. It's the next day. We did some wine tasting that I discovered. While I still don't really like wine, I like Sauvignon Blanc. It was really good. Yeah. Also, I think I'm gonna redo the intro that I originally started this Africa series with because I don't like it. So, yeah. All right. I will see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow we are doing, actually I might see you tonight because we're doing Bomba experience, but it's gonna be in our little lodge thing. And then tomorrow is horseback riding and we're gonna do like boat cruise, like I mean going to the beach and the caves. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye.